Rabbit meat nutrition for senior citizens. In the golden years, maintaining a nutritious diet is crucial for health and vitality. Protein is especially important for preserving muscle and bone health in seniors. Traditional meats like beef and chicken may not always be suitable due to dietary restrictions in older adults. Rabbit meat emerges as an excellent protein alternative. It's high in quality protein while being lower in calories and fats compared to traditional meats. Its fine texture and versatility in cooking make it suitable for senior diets. Rabbit meat offers about 25 grams of protein per 100 grams, supporting tissue repair and growth. It's low in fat, which aids in heart health and weight management, critical for seniors. Additionally, rabbit meat is rich in essential minerals like phosphorus and potassium, crucial for bone health, and iron, which helps prevent anemia. It also contains selenium, an antioxidant important for immune function and thyroid health. Despite not having omega-3 fatty acids like fish, rabbit meat's high-quality protein, low saturated fats, and rich mineral content make it a hearty alternative for those avoiding fish due to allergies or dietary preferences. Compared to beef, rabbit meat is leaner, making it heart-friendly by having lower cholesterol levels. While beef is nutrient-rich, rabbit's higher protein efficiency and lower fat make it better for managing cardiovascular health. Chicken is a popular lean protein, but rabbit has a higher digestibility and unique amino acids profile, beneficial for muscle maintenance in the elderly. It also has fewer calories, aiding in weight management. Plant-based proteins are vital, but sometimes lack essential amino acids present in animal proteins. Rabbit meat provides a complete amino acid profile, making it an excellent dietary addition for tissue repair and immune function. For seniors, rabbit meat's low fat and high protein content support muscle maintenance without excessive calories, preserving muscle mass and strength. It also offers B vitamins and minerals like zinc and phosphorus, essential for overall health. Its lean nature makes rabbit meat easy to digest, suitable for seniors with sensitive digestive systems. Its low sodium content also helps in managing blood pressure, offering a balanced approach to health. Incorporating rabbit meat into the diet can be simple and enjoyable. It can be roasted, stewed, or grilled, fitting well into various recipes and making it a versatile choice for senior meals. Rabbit meat is a standout protein source for seniors, offering substantial health benefits. Its nutritional profile supports not only muscle and bone health, but also cardiovascular wellness and weight management, making it a prime choice for a healthy senior diet.